I don't want to deter people from watching this, but this is going to be a really stupid video for 2 reasons. 1, probably going to get food poisoning. 2, it won't open. That's what. Oh, it's because you just put it in the side. Why does it look like a microwave? If all you're doing is putting these tiny little pans, like you gotta use one of these. I'm not casting metal. We're making food. Another reason this is gonna be stupid is it's mostly just gonna be me cooking. Do one of these. And now people find me extremely interesting to watch cook. First, we're gonna do, I got some weird like veggie shrimp bake thing I'm gonna do. Ooh, piece of candy. Obviously we gotta make a cake. That's what people use easy bake ovens for. Actually they don't. They go to make a cake and then they'll just eat the ingredients because who? And then we're also gonna do a pizza. I have all things here for a pizza. That seems like a standard thing. And then I'm actually gonna cook some raw chicken. All right, here's an image of what we're making. I'm not following a recipe. This is going in an easy bake oven. As you can see, 1 piece of shrimp would take up this entire dish. Why am I doing this video? We're just gonna dice up 3 shrimp. I think that'll be great. Now, I haven't eaten dinner yet and really want this to turn out good. Therefore, you know my reaction will be authentic when it turns out to be inevitably be horrible. I got cooked shrimp. I don't want to risk getting food poisoning twice. I'll risk it once by cooking the raw chicken. A lot of people will message me on Twitter all the time and they'll be like, Peter, why do you want to get food poisoning so often? Because I normally would espouse that I actually like doing that, but my secrets come out in this video. I don't want it. Fun little actual tidbit. I haven't thrown up since, I think since I was like 13. It's been like 12 years. Look at these. I just think these are funny. According to this picture, we do need some sausage. Yes, it is also something that I have pre-cooked. Refer to the previous segment of the video for reasons why. Sprinkle in a little bit of that. Sprinkle in a little bit of that. It's a little overflowing, but that's mostly fine. Everything in this video is going to be mostly fine. A little bit like that. Oh, what delectable. I ordered a little extra shrimp than I needed, I guess, but I'll make aquarium later. I don't actually know how to use one of these. I think we just plug it right in. Oh no, it can't be overflowing. There you go. Yep. Okay, so a lot of the toppings fell off inside this thing. I don't actually know that this works. This is used. It also could have been used as a toilet at one point because I got it off eBay. How do I cook the food? Do I gotta look up how to use an easy bake oven? This sure isn't very easy, and I doubt it's gonna be very bake either. I have to put a light bulb in this. I'm gonna cry. Wow, this oven is sure, wow. Wait, let me try that again. Wow, this oven is sure working good. Oh wow, that's getting so hot so fast. Oh wow. I'm sure a couple people aren't so happy about just the way I've chosen to use the oven, which is totally optional. You can choose to use it in many different ways. I could have just used that. Or I could have just used that. But by golly, this is gonna be an easy bake oven video, or Jimmy can crack his corn. Me when says something stupid on Twitter. It says shiitake. It's French. Get your head out of the butter. Oh, what is that? A whiff of cooked food? Indeed. It smells so well made and like so much care was put into it. Oh wow, it stopped automatically. These ovens are so easy and bake. Ooh, so it smells a little. Ah. All right. Wow, that is like almost cooked. I actually lied earlier though. I ate right before I did this, so I'm really not hungry. Next dish. Shish. Next up, we're getting a little more complicated. We're gonna do a little pizza. It's great that we have a really good functional oven because this one will actually, actually have to cook this one to some extent for the crust not to be Play-Doh. This is my forte here. This is something I've been doing for years. How to make pizza crust. You can't just do one of these. You gotta do one of these to see if the water's hot. You gotta like give it a nice welcoming handshake. It'll get here faster. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get a new house. Sugar. You want sugar in this pizza? My gosh. We're gonna ask me to put frosting on the pizza? All-purpose flour. I can use this for literally anything. I used it to start my car the other day. I'm making a lot of dough. Why am I making so much dough? And no, I don't have a beater. Ooh, I got two jokes about this though. Okay, we're gonna do like one of those multiple timeline choose your own adventure type of things. So in one of the timelines I say, I don't have a beater, I am beater. That one's maybe not good. The better timeline is the one where I say, I don't have a beater, I barely know her. And take it from someone who worked 6 years in the food industry. If you take as long as every recipe calls to make the food, you're out. What do they say in Gordon Ramsay, the show? You are no longer a chef. Karen, pack your bags. You're no longer a chef. You, Karen, you're not a chef. I guess something like that. Oh, this is so good. This is such a good idea. This is my best video. I was on a roll. People thought I was really cool for like at least one video. People thought I was pretty cool. That I made a pretty cool thing. And according to the recipe, take the 90% of the flour you didn't use and just trash it. Now here's one not too many people know about. Prego actually has a marinara sauce, and it's pretty good for usage in pizza. A secret of my people. Now each piece of cheese takes up 85% of the pizza. Somebody knew I was doing this and decided to invent really tiny pepperonis. I'm pretty sure this is the only thing anyone would use these for. Now that's simply magical. And once again, any extra ingredients you have, just toss it in the trash. It's just like pizza burning. They have one of these things right in there. Half of it gets scraped on the top. Okay, so a couple of problems. I seem to have melted a little bit of something. And also, the entire interior is starting to cave in ever so slightly, which is really bad. This normally doesn't look like that. Yeah, it's just melting. We're still cooking, boys. Look at this, huh? This really doesn't look like that bad of a pizza. I'm not even gonna lie. I mean, it's only got one mushroom because the other ones fell out. And yes, Get out, just fall out. Well, I don't know about you, but I think this is exactly perfect. And I couldn't ask for more. This is still caving in. Get me a slice of this pizza. Goodness me. It's making some sounds. It's pretty good. This bit of plastic back here is melted. Talk about pizza burn. Oh, simply wonderful. I think it's time to cook some raw chicken. I think it deserves to prove that it can actually cook bacteria out of real raw meat. I could have chose like not chicken, by the way. What we want is a super duper thin piece of meat. Something just like this, right? And this piece of raw chicken on this plate, I'll just set this out here. As I really don't care. I just don't give a frick. Shoot. We're gonna do my favorite chicken parmesan recipe, but without parmesan. So really just chicken recipe. Imitation parmesan. Now that's just simply lovely right there. All right, I've jammed it through. Well, as you can see, this is really just cooking up perfectly. Oh, we're not getting that. We are not getting that out. the conventional way.
Wait. Oh, there we go. What do we got here? Ooh.
I mean, it does appear to be cooked. The last thing we're gonna make is a cake. Obviously, we have an easy bake oven video. We had an easy bake oven. We have to make a cake. How am I gonna stir this butter into... Whisk 3 cups of flour, the baking powder, and salt into a bowl. Oh, the baking powder and salt. Yeah, let me just put in, how much salt? The salt. How much baking powder? The baking powder. Friggin' stupid. Oh wow, I do have a whisk. I hate whisks. I hate them so much. Why would anyone use these? They're cages. They're food cages. Things just have not been going my way, I tell you. But this cake is about to redeem it. This is butter covered in sugar. How could anything go wrong? That is beautiful. That's the cake right here. Now for the cooking part. This here is the Easy Bake Oven 2, the 2022 model. Also at one point pretty popular in the Fortnite community. Wow, that was incredibly fast. Ooh, that seems actually pretty solid. It's a little crispy around the edges. Does it come out of the pan? Whoa. Good enough. Perfect. We'll get this thing all decorated and it'll look great. Trust me. This is normally how cake making goes anyway. A lot of the time, like, we just haven't, as a human race, perfected how to get cakes out of the thing without them crumbling. So we're gonna salvage this and make it good. This is the last thing we're making. I'm gonna put some pride into it for you, just for you guys. And also because I have just this unending desire to consume copious amounts of sugar. Goodness me. Wow, wowie. Told you we're gonna get this all dolled up nicely. Ooh, I really like that actually. Everyone knows red dye tastes the best because it's the worst for you. Okay, this is actually shaping up. Hold on now. Check it out, huh? That really is a copious amount of sugar. I don't care how this looks. It's just a bunch of cake ingredients. You can't mess this up. I hope this is a moral to you guys. It doesn't matter how you look on the outside. As long as on the inside you're just oozing with sugars and dyes and carbs. Oh, carbs. I had to say, I think it's kind of nice variety. Like, after I've done so many successful projects almost all in a row, to move on to something not so perfect, you know? Burn a hole in an easy bake oven. I don't think it's like bad content. I think it's just, you know, it's a variety. It's just switching things up. Please don't unsubscribe.